Welcome to the Home Business course. My name is Bumi Tokon. I've split this particular course into 6 different sections for easy access and better understanding. I'd love to interact with you. So if you have a question or you want to ask me something that pertains to your particular business, then do inbox me. If you have a suggestion that you believe other students should know about, then you can post it on the discussion board. But I would love to interact with you. That's what I'm here for. I've run many businesses, many home-based businesses, and I understand the disciplines required and the constraints that exist when you're running a home-based business. I'm actually married and I have a family and I have a son of 10. His friends come round, so I understand some of the challenges that we have to overcome when we're running home-based businesses. But this course will help you, give you the tips and the processes and the principles that will help you, run better businesses and do a lot more than you thought you could. So to get more out of this course, you need to kind of listen to it right the way through, take notes, and then get ready to put those things into action. If you have any suggestions on how the course could be improved, then could you please just inbox me and I'll deal with it, because I want to be improving this course as we go along. Finally, if you get a lot of value from this course, please post a review. Reviews are very helpful to spread the news about the course, so I'd love you to post your reviews if you got a lot of value from it. All right then, let's get started.